Lily was a bright and imaginative girl who loved to gaze at the stars above Evergreen Valley. One night, as she lay on the hillside, she noticed that the stars were dimming. Concerned, she asked the village elder, who told her of an ancient legend. The 7 stars that protect the valley were losing their light because the magical gems that powered them had been stolen by the mischievous Shadow Sprites. Determined to help, Lily decided to embark on a journey to recover the stolen gems and restore the stars' brilliance. With a heart full of determination, Lily set off on her quest. Her first challenge was to find the entrance to the hidden cave where the Shadow Sprites were said to live. Along the way, she met a friendly fox named Rusty, who offered to guide her through the forest. Rusty warned Lily that the sprites were tricky and that she would need to be clever to outwit them. Together, Lily and Rusty found the entrance to the cave, guarded by an ancient stone door with a riddle inscribed on it. Lily used her wit to solve the riddle, unlocking the door. Inside, the cave was dark and filled with twisting tunnels. Lily had to navigate through these tunnels, avoiding traps set by the sprites. At the heart of the cave, she found the first of the 7 stolen gems, glowing faintly in the shadows. After retrieving the first gem, Lily and Rusty continued their journey to find the remaining 6 gems. Each gem was hidden in a different part of the valley, one beneath the roots of an ancient tree, another at the bottom of a sparkling lake, and another in a maze of thorny bushes. With each challenge, Lily's courage and cleverness grew, and she found herself relying not just on Rusty's help, but on her own inner strength. With 6 gems recovered, Lily faced her final and greatest challenge, retrieving the last gem, which was hidden in the tallest mountain of the valley, guarded by the leader of the Shadow Sprites. The mountain was steep and treacherous, with howling winds and icy cliffs. But Lily, determined to save the 7 stars, climbed with all her might. At the summit, she confronted the Shadow Sprite leader, who tried to trick her into giving up. But Lily saw through the sprite's tricks and used her knowledge and bravery to reclaim the final gem. With all 7 gems in hand, Lily returned to Evergreen Valley. As she placed each gem back in its rightful place, the 7 stars above the valley began to shine with renewed brilliance, casting a protective light over the entire village. The villagers celebrated Lily's bravery and wisdom, and she knew that the 7 stars would continue to protect them for generations to come. Lily had proven that even the smallest among them could achieve great things with courage and cleverness.